Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Play Store on Windows 11. As we all know, Microsoft's Windows subsystem for Android officially doesn't support the Google Play Store. It has only an Amazon App Store to install mobile apps on a PC, which has only 50 apps to use. And also it is only available for US-based Windows 11. So if you want Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC, continue watching the video. For installing the Google Play Store on your PC, you have some minimum system requirements. Like, you should have at least 8 GB RAM, any processor which supports Windows 11, and at least 4 GB of free SSD space. Make sure to have SSD on your computer or laptop for better performance. To install the Google Play Store on your computer, you have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Enable Virtual Machine Platform on your Windows 11. Click the Start button, search for Turn Features On or Off, and hit Enter. Now find the Virtual Machine Platform here, check this up, and click on OK. Now, wait for the installation. After that, it will ask for a restart. You have to restart your computer here. Step 2. Turn on the Developers option. Click the Start button, search for Setting, and hit Enter. In Settings, search for Developers Settings, and hit Enter. Here you will find the Developers option, turn it on. Step 3. Download and install Windows Subsystem for Android with the Play Store. Download this file from the link given in the description. Right-click on it, and click on Extract All. Click on Browse, go to the C drive, make a folder as WSA, and select this folder. Now click on Extract. Wait for the extraction. It may take a while. After the extraction, here you will find the XAML.ax file, double-click on it, and click on Install. After that, click on the Start menu, search for PowerShell, and run it as administrator. Now type cd space c:\WSA and hit Enter. Now paste this command here, this command is given in the description. Now, wait for installation. After that, open the Windows Subsystem for Android from the Start menu. Under the Developer tab, turn on the Developer mode. Now in the System tab, click on Files to launch the Files app. Now wait here, it may take some time to launch it for the first time. Now here you can see the Play Store icon into the Start menu, open it up. Log in with your Gmail and password, now you can install any Android app from here. This was how you can install Play Store in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, also set the bell icon to all. I'll meet you in another interesting video for till, bye bye.